Spent 24 hours, I need more hours with you. You spent the weekend getting even, ooh. We spent the late nights making things right between us.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Myla Rebolado. And before we start our video, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I have a new upload video. And before I start this makeup tutorial, I would like to greet all of you a happy New Year. Sana lahat tayo maging blessed for this coming year and maging successful kung ano man yung mga pinaplano natin sa buhay. Of course, pinaka-importante sa lahat is maging healthy tayo. Once again guys, happy New Year! And yes, welcome back to another makeup video. Ayan, nabubulol na naman ako. And meron na naman tayong susubukan guys na eyeshadow palette. This is the beautyglazed Strelitzia. I don't know guys if tama yung aking pagkaka-pronounce. But anyway, ito yung kanyang itsura. And this is how it looks like in English. Wow, in English. Ayan, so sobrang ganda niya. Same lang dun sa beautyglazed Sunset Dust. Ayan, naka-emboss yung kanyang Strelitzia and itong beautyglazed na word. At the back of this eyeshadow palette, makikita nyo yung cruelty-free na logo and 24 months after opening yung kanyang longevity. So, ma-expired siya after 24 months na mabuksan mo siya. And of course, this is made from China. So, ayan guys, when you open this one, makikita mo kung gaano kaganda yung mga color selection na meron siya. Especially this 4 na nandito sa baba. Ayan, sobrang ang gaganda nila and kakaiba yung mga kulay. Yung tipong paghahandaan mo talaga or pag-iisipan mo mabuti kung ano yung eyeshadow or eye makeup na gagawin mo for this eyeshadow palette. So, yun guys, bali 10 yung matte color niya and mga karamihan dito is neutral na kulay. This have a 5 shimmer na eyeshadow. So yan guys, i-swatch ko lang sa inyo yung 4 na ito na nasa baba kasi most of the time naman alam na natin kung ano yung kulay nitong nasa taas na to dahil puro neutral lang siya. So let's see kung ano ang kulay nitong dalawang to. Yan, para makita nyo lang yung kanyang consistency. Ayan. So, as you can see guys, kitang-kita naman na masyadong intense itong kulay ng blue. Ayan. And then, itong violet is very subtle lang siya. By the way guys, itong kulay na to is violet. Ayan. And this one is blitz blue. Ayan. So, let's try naman itong dalawang yung kanilang azure. This one is azure and this one is blitz emerald. Ayan. So, may pagka green shade siya. Ayan. So, as you can see guys, kitang-kita naman kaagad, diba? For one swiping lang, makikita mo kaagad. But, gaya ng sinasabi ko, iba yung kulay niya kapag ni-swatch mo rito sa balat mo compare dun sa pag nilagay mo na siya sa eyelids mo. So, for this makeup tutorial guys, 4 na shade ang ginamit ko. Ito ang ginamit ko yung cocoa, pale gold, and this ice snow, and of course itong violet. So, sabi violet pero as you can see guys, mas more on lilac siya. So, that's it guys. And yung 4 na shade na gagamitin ko for this eye makeup tutorial. Ayan. So, yun. Ipapakita ko sa inyo step by step kung paano ko na-achieve itong aking eye makeup for today. And, ayun guys, if you want to know kung paano ko nagawa ang lahat-lahat ng ito, please keep on watching. natapos ko na yung aking eye makeup. Tatapusin ko lang yung kabuuan ng aking mukha and I'll be right back. So guys, natapos ko na yung aking contour. Now, let's move on. Maglalagay ako ng highlights and I will be using this shade, yung kanilang pale gold. Ayan. Kasi siya yung ginamit ko dito sa aking brow bone and siya din yung gagamitin kong pang highlights para sa aking cheekbone. Ayan. Pwede. Na maglalagay tayo ng contour sa aking nose dahil ako ay isang Pilipina at hindi nabiyayaan ng matangos na ilong. Kailangan pinag-aaralan natin din yan, mga girls and ladies, kung paano magpatangos ng ilong. So, lalagyan natin siya ng highlights. Ayan, dyan lang. So, that's it, guys.
Spent 24 hours, I need more hours with you. You spent the weekend getting even, ooh. We spent the late nights making things right between us.
So that is our video for today. I hope that you enjoy as much as I did dahil sobrang nag-e-enjoy ako kapag ako ay gumagawa ng aking eye makeup. Ayan, as you can see guys, sobrang nagpo-focus ako talaga sa eye makeup and gusto ko talaga siyang ma-master. Ma-advise ko lang sa lahat ng gustong matuto ng makeup, please just practice. Practice lang ng practice. Kahit isa lang yung eyeshadow palette nyo, you can create different kind of looks using your eyeshadow palette. Before I end this video, of course, I would like to say thank you so much sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking channel at patuloy na nanonood kada may mga bago akong upload na video. Ayan, I would like to say Happy New Year to all of you and may God bless us all. And yun, I hope to see you on my next one. Bye! Mwah.